Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 314. And if we start with this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 3. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2, 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're just missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 2. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this row, we're just missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8 and 9. We made it through another puzzle with no pencil. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.